Hey guys, so I'll be showing you how to use a different Web3 wallet to earn passive income. And when I mean passive income, this is a platform that has been up for over a year now. Some people have joined already, and if you're just getting to know about this channel, you're just getting to know about this platform, then trust me, you're on the right path, and you can start earning money every 28 days if you invest in this platform. It's not a big deal. It's just a simple smart contract investment, and you can use any of your Web3 wallets to connect: Trust Wallet, MetaMask Wallet, OKX, or Token Pocket Wallet. Personally, I've been using Token Pocket Wallet, but I've been seeing some questions about how do I get to use Trust Wallet? Can I use OKX? Can I use MetaMask? Can I use Trust Wallet? Trust me, guys, you can use any whatever wallet you are comfortable using. You are not obligated to use a particular wallet. Even though I made a video on how to use Token Pocket Wallet, but I think some people are not really familiar with Token Pocket Wallet. So I'm just going to be walking you through in this video how to use Trust Wallet, how to use OKX Wallet, and show you my Token Pocket Wallet investment on Bitnest. Yeah, it's Bitnest. Some people already know that it's Bitnest I'm talking about. That's the king of investment by the grace of God. So now you can see I'm excited about Bitnest because this platform has really been helpful. Like, imagine having a consistent income for over a year, like by joining this platform. Personally, I've signed up on Bitnest a year ago, and those that joined earlier this year when I started encouraging everyone to join can testify to my mood right now, because my mood is very exciting because of what I've been saying from Bitness. So now this is me using Trust Wallet, and this is what Trust Wallet looks like. You are not doing any tax here on this platform. All you need to do is to have your funds on Trust Wallet. USDT on BSC network. That is USDT BEP20. And of course, you need your BSC Smart Chain as gas fee. You need BSC Smart Chain as gas fee. So that's basically what you need. There is no minimum to start with, and there is no maximum. You do according to your capacity. However, disclaimer, please take personal responsibility for your investment. This is a platform that has been working, and I hope to share. I am not the CEO, or neither am I the CFO to any of this platform. I am also an investor that is enjoying the goodies, and I hope to share with my community. So please take personal responsibility for your financial investment. This is not a financial advice. Thank you. So now, to get started on Bitnest, what you need to do is to copy and paste the link to your discover button of any of your Web3 wallets. When you come to Trust Wallet, this is the discover button, and you can paste the link to this search page and continue. And also, if you are getting started with this platform, I advise and I strongly recommend, whenever you are connecting your wallet to any platform, especially on investment purpose, please create a new wallet. It's very important. Personally, I'm using Token Pocket Wallet, which I will be showing you. And on that Token Pocket Wallet, Bitnest is the only thing I'm doing on that wallet. I did not connect my asset wallet to an investment site or anything. So it's just recommended, at least for security reasons and to ensure safety. Because some people are careless with their face key, and they might lose it somewhere and be like, okay, the platform has taken my money or something. But personally, it's been a positive experience investing on this platform. So, however, I still recommend that you use a new wallet to connect on this platform. So this is the Trust Wallet, as you can see. For the best experience compatible, Bitnest recommend avoiding potential compatibility issues caused by Trust Wallet, and okay, you can just ignore that. So this is the platform. This is the platform on Trust Wallet, and at the top of the page, in this top corner, you can see connect. The moment you click on connect, you are going to connect your wallet, and your balance will automatically start showing in your wallet, your USDT balance, and you'll be able to see what you have in your wallet. So it's just so simple and straightforward thing. You can use OKX wallet, you can use Trust Wallet, but recommendably, because of all of these wallets thing, you can just use OKX or use Token Pocket Wallet. Personally, I use Token Pocket Wallet. You earn 24% of your investment every 28 days. 24%. Meaning that for every $100 invested on this platform, you get $24 at the end of the 28 days. For $200, you earn $48. For $1,000, you earn $240. For $10,000, you earn $2,400 at the end of the 28 days. It goes on and on like that. For any amount of investment that you do, you get 24% of your investment. No minimum to start with, no maximum. You do according to your capacity, and you are good. So because Trust Wallet is still loading, I don't know why it's taking forever to load. So let me just go through the second wallet, why this Trust Wallet loads. So for the second wallet, let's do OKX. On OKX, this is the discover button of the OKX wallet. I'll paste the Bitnest link. This is the link. I'll be dropping this link in the description box of this video and in the pin post in the comment section. So when you copy the link, paste it to your discover button of any of your wallets. Preferably use OKX or use Token Pocket. You can see how seamless it is working here. So at the right corner here, you can see connect. You see how it is slow on Trust Wallet. That's the kind of thing you experience when you are using some kind of wallet. And that is why I'm recommending using OKX or Token Pocket wallet. So at this corner here, you see connect. You are seeing automatically it has changed to BSC network. You are seeing confirm. You see what was loading forever on Trust Wallet is opening in less than 2 seconds here on OKX wallet. So that's the main reason why we recommend some kind of wallet to use, because of the compatibility and the functionality of each wallet. So to have a seamless experience, use OKX or Token Pocket wallet. So here is it on OKX wallet. You can see this is what the platform looks like. Very straightforward, no hassle, nothing. No, it's just too good. So to get started, after you must have your BSC USDT on your wallet. Any wallet you are using, preferably OKX or Token Pockets, make sure you are having USDT BEP20 in your wallet and BSC gas fee. Any amount you want to invest, you remember I said when you invest $1,000, you are getting $240 in 28 days. You invest $10,000, you earn $2,400 in 28 days. No minimum, no maximum. Do according to your pocket. So according to what you can afford. So to get started, you see, click on this Bitnest loop. On this Bitnest loop, because you have connected your wallet, you'll be seeing your available balance. I do not have USDT on this OKX wallet. I'm just using the OKX wallet as an example. I actually use Token Pockets. So I'm just showing you that you can as well use OKX, use Trust Wallet, use Token Pockets, use MetaMask. It just makes sense. So if I'm having USDT here, you are seeing it will show here. Then by default, it's always on 1 day. For you to earn that 24%, you have to select 28 days. So you see, for you to earn 24% profit, you have to be circulating for 28 days. You select 28 days. Then enter your amount. Let's assume I entered $5,000, $10,000 here. So you see how much you earn. 24% profit. So at the end of 28 days, my $10,000 will give me $12,400. Meaning that my profit is $2,400, while my capital of $10,000 will be refunded at the end of 28 days. This is how it has always been. Like at the end of the cycle that you choose, your capital, your profit automatically returns to your connected wallet. You are not coming back here to click on withdraw. So after 28 days, at the end of 28 days, you can reinvest your capital and profit to compound, or reinvest your capital alone, or take your profit, anything you want to do with it. For myself, I keep investing. I want to continue any passive income. Remember I said I've been doing this for over a year. So I keep reinvesting. As long as you keep reinvesting, you continue making money. So at the end of 28 days, both the capital and the profit drops back to your connected wallet automatically on its own. Let me come to Token Pocket Wallet and show you guys how it is here on this Token Pocket Wallet. You can see I'm having USDT here on this wallet. This is Token Pocket Wallet. Actually, I have a video on how to use Token Pocket Wallet already. So if you are new to Token Pocket Wallet, you can watch that video. So this is it on the Token Pocket wallet, and you can see it's already on my homepage because every now and then I open the website to see what's going on. So you can see how seamless it is working on Token Pocket wallet to compare to Trust Wallet. That's the reason why we recommend a certain wallet to use. So this is still the website on Token Pocket wallet, and this is Bitnest Loop. Come to this Bitnest Loop. So you can see my balance of 65 dollars is now showing. So if I want to invest all of this $65, I just click on mass, then select 28 days. Then you see how much I will earn at the end of these 28 days. It will be a total of $81, meaning that the profit and the capital, everything will be refunded at the end of the 28 days. Just for you to know that the countdown starts ticking the moment you click on this circulation. Enter your amount, select 28 days, you see your profit and your capital. They will tell you everything that is showing here. Then click on circulation, and automatically the countdown starts ticking. So to see my active investments, you can see I'm running 4 investments simultaneously, and you can see the countdown: 21 days, 5 hours, this one 16 days, 3 hours, 37 minutes, 19 seconds. That is how the countdown is. Like, simultaneously you can run multiple investments at the same time. Everything will drop at their respective dates of maturity. That's how it works. So the moment you click on circulation, it starts counting down, and you'll be able to see when you are receiving your profit and your capital the same day, running multiple investments at the same time. So you can see. So this is how Bitnest works. No hassle, no stress, nothing. Just connect to OKX wallet or Token Pocket wallet, have your USDT BEP20 and BSC gas fee. Then go ahead and invest whatever you can afford, and you start earning every 28 days. This is how I make my monthly income. This is like paying yourself a salary, and you can continue enjoying the profits as long as you keep reinvesting. So if Bitnest have been giving you some money ever since you joined this channel, if you have been earning money from Bitnest, let me know in the comment section. Let me know who my downlines is. So I know some people are actually making money. Actually, I'm not gonna pretend, because we have over 160 something downlines that are currently circulating. So I don't want to show that. But if Bitnest, if you are part of this team, let me know in the chat box. Let me know in the comment section. Let's see how Bitnest has helped you so far. So guys, this is how to earn money passively every 28 days, every month from Bitnest investment. So easy and reliable, sustainable. Check the link to get started in the description box of this video. Like, share, subscribe, share this video to your downlines, everyone that needs to start earning money legitimately. We are not doing poison scheme here. We are not doing scam zone. Everything is legit. So guys, see you guys on the next one. Like and share this video. Subscribe if you haven't. And bye for now.